Hello, design enthusiasts, and welcome back to another episode of Daily Interior Design Inspo. I am your host, Betsy Helmuth, and I am here to bring you your daily dose of affordable and modern interior design inspiration. Whether you are in the heart of New York City, the suburbs of Westchester, or even down in Washington, D.C., we have got you covered with tips and tricks to make your home stylish without breaking the bank. Today, we are diving into an amazing transformation story that will inspire all of you renters out there. We are talking about an NYC rental kitchen that got a personality-packed peel and stick makeover. This story is about Caitlin Saylor and her husband, Kyle, who rent a glamorously modern apartment in New York City. They decided to tackle their bland kitchen floor with a peel and stick solution that is both renter-friendly and incredibly stylish. There are seemingly infinite renter-friendly updates you can make to your kitchen, like hanging pre-pasted wallpaper on the walls or attaching peel and stick wallpaper to your cabinets to make the doors pop. And while these projects have their obvious and visible upsides, it is essential to try to do them correctly the first time around to prevent any major issues in your rental kitchen. That is why Caitlin seriously researched how to ensure her peel and stick floor tiles would stay in place for as long as possible. Caitlin found that the key to long-lasting temporary floor tiles is to make sure your floor is as clean as possible before applying the tiles. When Caitlin and Kyle moved into their apartment, the kitchen tiles were high on their list of updates to make. Caitlin prioritized the DIY as her first kitchen renovation project and ordered a pattern from Etsy. But that was the easiest part of the process. The hardest part of the peel and stick floor tiles was cleaning the floors, Caitlin shares. It is important to degrease the floors so the tiles stick well. I spent hours on my hands and knees scrubbing the floors. Caitlin had never installed peel and stick floor tiles before, but aimed to ensure the area was spotless before applying them. So here are step-by-step instructions on how Caitlin got her ceramic tile floor squeaky clean. First, thoroughly vacuum and mop the floors. Next, use a scrub brush and a kitchen floor degreaser to wash the floors. Spray the degreaser on the tiles and let it sit for a bit. Then scrub each floor tile individually. Cleaning on your hands and knees might not sound like a lot of fun, but it is the key to being extra effective. You can also use an electric scrubber for a little extra cleaning power. Luckily for Caitlin, her kitchen floor was relatively small, so the process only took her a couple of hours to really get it sparkling. As soon as the tile grout went from black due to years of city grime and dirt to sand-colored, Caitlin knew it was time to start laying the peel and stick floor tiles. Once they were clean, it was easy to stick the tiles. I ordered tiles that were the same size as the original ones, so they fit perfectly over the square, Caitlin writes. She wanted to keep the original grout showing, but it was a sand color and did not look great. So Caitlin used a black grout pen from Amazon to color the grout to match the black and white tiles. In the end, Caitlin gained 2 wins from the project. She transformed her bland kitchen floor into a beautiful masterpiece and ensured the underlying ceramic tiles remained in mint condition in the process. As you can see from the photos, Caitlin also transformed the cabinets, cabinet pulls, and white walls in this project. Her white cabinet contact paper is from Amazon, her pink coffee cup wallpaper is from Spoonflower, and her rug is from Ruggable. So, if you are looking for a renter-friendly way to give your kitchen some personality, take a page out of Caitlin's book and do not be afraid to get a little creative. If you have been waiting for the perfect time to revamp your small space, now is your chance. Wayfair is offering massive Labor Day deals on a wide range of furniture and decor, perfect for small spaces. The sales are up to 70% off. So whether you need a new sofa, a full-length mirror, or a storage cabinet for your bathroom, Wayfair has got you covered at a fraction of the price. First up, let us talk about the Azria upholstered sofa. Originally priced at $449.99, it is now available for just $379.99. This chenille upholstered sofa is not only cozy and spacious, but also boasts a timeless mid-century silhouette. Its pocket and sinuous springs inside the seat help it retain its shape, making it an incredibly comfortable seating option. Next, we have the Rifle Paper Company X Loloi Eden Mughal Garden Cream Rug. This rug, which was originally $320, is now just $181.01. Including a rug is a simple way to enhance the mood of a room. And this stunning option from Loloi's collaboration with Rifle Paper Company is guaranteed to give your space a vintage-inspired, feminine flair. Plus, it is made with the brand's cozy cloud pile microfiber that feels especially soft underfoot. For those struggling with bathroom storage, the Olvera linen cabinet is a steal at just $89.99, down from $299.99. This freestanding cabinet has clean lines and a white finish that will match almost any bathroom decor. It offers plenty of space for your personal items with its 4 tall shelves and roomy drawers. Cleaning enthusiasts, you will not want to miss the Bissell Crosswave multi-surface wet-dry vac. Originally $349.99, it is now available for $269.99. This versatile cleaning tool will leave your floors sparkling and crumb-free. Charlie, an executive lifestyle director, swears by this model, saying she was able to clean, vacuum, and sanitize her entire kitchen floor in just 7 minutes. If you need to declutter your entryway, consider the 10-pair shoe storage cabinet. Priced at $87.99, down from $106.99, it can fit 10 pairs of shoes inside its slim design. The rattan detailing on the outside gives it a natural boho look, which is an added bonus. For those looking to make their space look bigger, the 64-inch by 21-inch shatterproof full-length mirror is a great find. Originally $350, it is now just $58.99. This sleek and modern arched mirror can be mounted to the wall or simply leaned against it for a renter-friendly alternative. It is also available in 2 additional sizes. Fans of hidden storage will love the Latitude Run gray-blue Bria hydraulic lift-up storage bed. This bed, originally priced at $1,559.95, is now just $263.99. Available in 5 chic colors, its sleek modern style makes it a versatile piece that can go with any decor style. Small bathrooms can benefit greatly from the Caleros over-the-toilet storage. Originally $180, it is now just $55.99. This over-the-toilet shelf system has a 4-tier design, offering ample space for towels, toiletries, and more. It even has a handy toilet paper holder and adjustable hooks for towels, making your daily routine a breeze. If you have been dreaming of a velvet couch, the Purdue Velvet Wide Square Arm Convertible Sofa is a budget-friendly option at $312.99, down from $829.99. Its wooden legs, tufted back, and square arms give it a vintage flair. Even better, it converts into a twin-size bed for overnight guests. Lighting is crucial in small spaces, and the Banty arched floor lamp is a fantastic pick. Originally $119.99, it is now just $63.99. This lamp works great by the sofa, adding soft, warm light for reading and relaxing. Lastly, let us not forget multifunctional furniture like the Owen lift-top coffee table. Priced at $114.99, down from $169.99, this coffee table has an adjustable lift-top that transforms into a desk and a dining table. It also offers hidden storage inside, making it ideal for small rooms. Finding time to organize your home can be a challenge because there are only so many hours in a day. Whether you have family or work obligations, or are simply going through a busy season, decluttering and reorganizing every single space in your home might not be realistic. That is why it is crucial to prioritize and start with projects that will make the biggest difference in your daily life. Here are 4 areas of your home that you should organize first to make the most impact on your home and your routines. Let us start with the kitchen. Whether you are a family of 2, 3, or 10, everyone has to eat. So, starting with the kitchen is a smart move. Lindsay Mahana, professional organizer and founder of Clutter to Clarity, recommends beginning with the pantry. This space can get out of hand quickly, she says. What expired foods are hiding in the back? How many boxes of macaroni and cheese do you have scattered throughout? How much money have you wasted buying duplicates that are now going to expire before you use them? These questions can help you assess and edit your pantry clutter. Next, move on to the refrigerator. Get rid of expired foods or any condiments you regret purchasing, like that chili-flavored mustard that did not meet your expectations. Lastly, declutter and reorganize your cooking gadgets and pots and pans. Keep what you will really use, but let go of things like that tiny egg pan that lost its nonstick coating 6 months ago. Now, let us talk about the laundry room. Doing laundry can be a hassle, but Katie Dills, brand president of the Cleaning Authority, says that reorganizing your laundry room can make the task more pleasant. Since most people use the laundry room at least once a week, tackling the organization of this space is worth it, especially considering that today's laundry rooms are designed to invoke an airy, pleasant feeling, Dills says. Even though they may have improved in appearance and location, they still get dirty, messy, and cluttered. Start by sorting through bottles of detergent with just one use left. Either prioritize using them or throw them out. Toss those empty boxes of dryer sheets and say bye to that scent booster that made you sneeze. Another good thing about organizing your laundry room is that it is relatively easy and should not take too long. You can use that feeling of accomplishment to motivate yourself to tackle other organizing projects. Let us move on to entryway spaces. Whether you enter your home through the front door or a side mudroom, these high-traffic spots tend to become cluttered and messy, especially for families with children. If it is a family with kids who are always on the go, I suggest focusing on the entryway they use the most, like a back door or mudroom, so that when they are coming and going, there is a space to keep all the things they need when they are outside of the home, says Angela O'Brien, professional organizer and founder of Your Space Reclaimed. She advises reevaluating your storage situation in these areas. Are there hooks at eye level for the kids to hang backpacks? She says. Is there a designated spot for easily misplaced but essential items like wallets and keys by the door? This can help set the family up for easier transitions when they are rushing to soccer or ballet. Consider purchasing an entryway bench with built-in storage hooks and cubbies, so there is always a designated spot for everything. This will help you stay organized for the long term. Finally, let us not forget the bedrooms. Sylvia De Denaro Vieira, CEO and co-founder of the home management app Coexist, says that a disorganized bedroom can affect your sleep, which impacts so many other areas of your life. Look around your bedroom and see how you might be able to make it a peaceful haven for a restful night's sleep, she says. Start by decluttering obvious messes like that pile of clothing on the floor. Then sort through stacks of books and try to get rid of anything that is not decorative or essential on dressers and nightstands. Once you have taken care of all the clutter that is out and visible, you can move on to tackling the closet since that will help you get ready more easily every day. Now let's dive into a fantastic IKEA find that will make you rethink how you use everyday items in your home. Blair Donovan, senior editor of Style at Apartment Therapy, recently highlighted a brilliant hack that involves a surprising use for a kitchen item in your living room. We're talking about the Verriera stainless steel pot lid organizer, which you can snag for just $7.99. Donovan discovered this gem through a TikTok video by user Paulo Salgado, who shared his unique way of incorporating this kitchen staple into his home decor. Instead of using the Verriera to organize pot lids in the kitchen, Paulo styled it on top of a low-profile locker-style cabinet from IKEA and filled the individual rungs with vinyl records. It turns out this pot lid organizer makes the perfect upright vinyl storage solution, holding about 7 or 8 records at a time. One of the best features of the Verriera is its collapsible design. You can extend or compress it lengthwise from 3.25 inches up to 19.75 inches, depending on how much tabletop space you have. Its width is a modest 5.75 inches, making it a versatile addition to any room. The minimalist stainless steel frame is not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing, easily blending into various decor styles. Where most pot lid organizers are utilitarian at best, the Verriera stands out with its sleek, simple design that could almost pass as vintage decor. It's simple enough to display just about anywhere, whether or not you have a record player nearby. Take a cue from Paulo and add extra accents like a candle or a mini table lamp in the same finish for a well-designed music station on top of your dresser, TV stand, or credenza. And do not feel limited to just vinyl records. The Verriera can also be used to store hardcover coffee table books, design-forward magazines, or even cookbooks on your kitchen countertop. This $8 find from IKEA is truly the unsung hero of stylish tabletop storage, perfect for showing off your impeccable taste in music, books, or decor. That wraps up today's episode of Daily Interior Design Inspo. I hope you found these tips and tricks helpful and are ready to transform your spaces with affordable and creative solutions. Until next time, this is Betsy Helmuth signing off. Happy decorating!